I had a question the other week, and it was saying, could I do a selfie with the Neo? Now, he's not on about doing the video, you know, we can obviously do a drone or something like that. He's actually on about taking a photograph with the Neo. I mean, you can take a photograph with the hands-free in the phone, but it's not timed. But if you got your RC2, your RCN2, or your RC3, you can do that on here. And this is what this video is about. If you just use the gimbal to move the gimbal up and down so you get in the shot. So we go over to the photos, which is just above the record. We press on photo. We press on timed. Now I've got it on 10 seconds. Now what it does, guys, it keeps taking photographs every 10 seconds. So I'm just going to raise it up slightly so it's sort of my height. Okay? And we just press the button so it takes the first shot. The best thing about this, every 10 seconds it's going to take a shot. Only thing is, I can check this on the thing, I suppose. I can hear it then. It's so loud when you get close to it, I just can't hear it clicking. Right, I'm going to come back. Okay. And to stop it, all we do, we just press the button, press the time, go back in the video. So that takes it out of it.
Landing.
Okay, that's it. Pretty good. Bit of a laugh, isn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. It's a quick video, guys, but somebody asked me, can you take a time shot? And you can. So, as always, there'll be another video coming very soon.